Today, we leave Fairbanks for Anchorage, Alaska. We returned our Turo and hopped in an Uber to the airport. After checking in, we boarded an easy flight to Anchorage and we were off on our next adventure. Our very first activity in Anchorage is to visit the Alaska Botanical Gardens, and we are here after hours for a picnic. They have a whole adorable picnic basket filled with snacks, and we're drinking out of mason jars, and then we get to explore the gardens for like 2 hours.
So if I put my reviewer hat on, the food here isn't really what we're coming for. We're here for private access to the Botanical Gardens, which is awesome. If you ask me what the best thing we had tonight, it's definitely the water. There were eggplant sandwiches, there was cauliflower salad. This water is like infused with lemon and herbs. It is delicious.
We scarfed down our dinner super fast so that we can take some time to explore these beautiful gardens. Something I smell like a dog. Something smells really good. I don't know. It might be this. I think it's this. But or it's this. No, I think it's this. I think it's this. It smells really good.
The best part about this experience is there's no one here. Tastes like kale. Our time in the Botanical Gardens was unfortunately nearing an end, but this was an excellent place to spend an evening and have dinner. This was our awesome first experience in Anchorage. Hopefully there's a lot more good things in store, but I have to say, again, what a cool first stop. It's really nice to be supporting the local botanical gardens. The price was a little bit high, but at the same time, we know that it goes to support something really cool and awesome. On top of it, the value as a collective was pretty good. We got to enjoy these beautiful botanical gardens without tons of people, by ourselves, really. I mean, there's a few other people around, but I mean, it's been really cool to get to enjoy this.
Good morning. It is our first full day in Anchorage. We are standing in a cloud and we are going on a hike. We are going to hike up the FLATTOP mountain. It is like the most popular hike in Anchorage and possibly all of Alaska, and we're going to do it. So us and a ton of our closest friends are going to do this today and probably not see anything because it is pretty cloudy. We're going to do this hike and we're going to make the most of this cloudy, rainy, cold day and have a wonderful first full day in Anchorage. Let's hit the trail. This is a really steep trail. It's rocky and can't even see anything around us. There's definitely people, we can hear them, but honestly we can't even see them. We're in the middle of a cloud. At least it's not hot. It's kind of hot actually, but it's not like 85 degrees. Huh? Upsides?
I think this is the best view we've ever had.
We made it to the top of the mountain! And this is what you see. We can't see anything. It is really a nice hike. You know, we're going to hope that tomorrow we've got a little bit more sun. We have some really fun plans. So maybe if we're lucky, we'll get a couple of rays of sunshine for our day tomorrow. It is a beautiful day in Anchorage. The sun is shining. We are so thankful we actually get some sunshine, which makes it the perfect day to go for a bike ride. We are going to bike the coastal trail, and first we are going to rent bikes from Pablo's Bike Rental and get all outfitted before we bike the beautiful coastline of Anchorage. All right, story time. When I was in grad school, I rode my bike to school a lot, and before this sounds dramatic, just know it really isn't, but I got hit by a car while riding my bike. She was going really slow, I was going really slow, so everybody was fine, but I'm still pretty traumatized about it, and so, you know, I'm conquering my fears by riding a bike today. Here's to conquering our fears on a beautiful day in Alaska. Let's do this.
This trail is awesome. It's definitely really crowded, so lots of people know about it. Definitely lots of locals and lots of crazy tourists like us wearing these bright yellow helmets, but the scenery is absolutely fantastic.
It's lunchtime with a view.
We made it to the 10-mile mark. That
hill-
last bit was a really steep hill.
Moses. That was serious business. We're not bikers, let's be honest.
Nope.
So this is kind of a feat. Well, we gotta go back down this trail. We went 10 miles. It's an out and back, yo. We gotta turn around and go 10 miles back.
Nobody's coming to pick us up.
It's not like that. But, I mean, what a gorgeous way to like get a little exercise, get your
And
bod
see
moving.
the coastline of Anchorage.
Oh my God. In the sky, there's not a cloud up there. Oh my God.
All right, we're getting eaten.
Let's do this. Let's hit it.
We found a moose.
We found an awesome spot to have a snack, and we get to watch the planes take off right over our heads. It's an excellent spot for a break, soak in the sun, and have a little bit of entertainment. Woohoo!
We made it, and now we are back at Pablo's bike shop.
I conquered my biking fear and nothing bad happened. Yay! Okay, what should we do now? Let's get a beer. Woo! We just returned our bikes to Pablo's, and of course, as is a lot of tradition with biking, is to finish off your bike with a nice brew. We are at the Broken Blender, which is in downtown Anchorage. It's beautiful outside. All we wanted was to spend more time outside, so here we are on a patio, enjoying a local Alaskan beer. This was such a fun time in Anchorage the past few days. We are actually taking a day trip to Whittier tomorrow, so that is a video you are not going to want to miss. Hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with the rest of our adventures, and we will see you in Whittier.